Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE S88 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on About Phone. Here we have to find the build number, which is right here, and all you have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in a developer mode. Now we can go back and let's enter the system. Let's tap on Advanced, and as you can see here, we've got the developer options, and here we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change transition animation scale, we can show surface updates. Here we've got some options connected to the Bluetooth, so actually a lot of advanced options. In order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. To turn it off, just tap on the switcher again. If you can see the options without the switcher, for example, like here in the window animation scale, all you have to do is simply tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. If you are done with customization of developer options, all you have to do is simply tap on this switcher on this green background, and after getting back, you can see that the developer options simply disappeared. Obviously, you can customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your DOOGEE S88 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.